Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So I got a request from this wonderful person right here to show you how to draw a chibi clown. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna start our drawing with, I'm gonna start with an eye. I often start with the eye. So I'm gonna make a weird little shape like this. And I'm gonna thicken up this pointy part here in the middle, right here. Oh, I just heard my dog bark again. Sorry if you can hear that. She's just saying hello. Okay, so that's all we have so far. I'm gonna do a little line here on the bottom, and then we can do the inside of the eye like this, almost like a big oval. And then I'm going to do a big shape like that. And then let's do a oval in behind that, and I can color that oval in all black, like that. Now let's do a great big round nose. And I'm going to do a little shape like this on top of the nose, so that's kind of like where the light is going to be hitting it. And now the other eye is kind of in behind this nose, so we're going to do a similar shape to the eye we already did, but it's kind of in behind that the nose a little bit. So we've got this so far, and then we can do a little line here on the bottom, and then we can come on up and down right there and do the inside, the great big inside shape, and the oval on the inside, and color that in all dark. All right, so we've got the nose and two eyes. So now I'm going to do a little bit of a face shape. So chibis have like cute little kind of squat up faces, sort of. So I'm making this face pretty squat. It's gonna be real round, like that. And I'm gonna do a cute little itty bitty smile right here. Very teeny tiny little smile. And I'm gonna do a little oval right there, and right here under both of the eyes they're going to be like little blushy marks. And I'm also going to have like little triangles, kind of upside down triangles, kind of coming from underneath the eyes. That's going to be like part of the clown makeup. So I'm going to bring this curve of the face up a little bit more, and now I can get started with some curls. So it's going to be a really big curly haired wig. So we can do all kinds of like U shapes and upside down U shapes, and just make it real fluffy looking. So you can make this as big as you want, as little as you want. I'm going to make it pretty big. Okay, there we go. So I got my big fluffy clown hair, and now I'm going to do a kind of fluffy little clown collar for the neck here. Just going to be kind of like ruffled. So we're just doing all kinds of like little U shapes here too, like that. And now I'm going to start on the body, the shape of the body. So great big curve like this, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. And Now let's do the hands on the hips. Like that. And I'm going to put a little curve here, a little line here to separate the hand from the outfit, from the sleeve. And we can do the same on the other side here. Okay, and I'm going to continue this line and bring it up here to the neck, and same on the other side. So I'm going to have a different color sleeve than the rest of the outfit. And I'm going to put a big circle here and a big circle here. And these can be like maybe great big buttons, some sort of a funny thing on our clown's outfit. And put a line right there. And a line coming down the middle right here. And a little line there and a curve right there. And let's do some clown shoes. So clown shoes are usually pretty big. So these definitely look like they would not actually fit this person. Great big shoes. And I'm gonna make a curve right here and right here. And I'm gonna draw a line going down the middle of the outfit, so that one side is going to be one color and the other side is going to be another color. So I'm going to get started with the coloring, but you can design your clown outfit any way you want to. Maybe you want to add some more circles or polka dots or zigzags or triangles or fun patterns somewhere. It's all up to you. All right, everyone, we're finished our cute little chibi clown. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!